This Lemony Greek yogurt chicken wrap is so simple to make and it packs a whole lot of nutrients to start the day right. Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm also known as Delishar. Today I am in Sharefood's kitchen to do a very special challenge. I will be cooking a very simple and delicious breakfast meal for 4 in under 30 minutes. I'm ready, so let's go. Let's get started. First step is to pop the chicken breast into the oven. It is pre-marinated with yogurt and citrus. It is also fully cooked for you, so you can prep them straight from the freezer. Pop them in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Next up, I'll prepare the cherry tomatoes. Place the cherry tomatoes under a plate and gently slice a knife through it. And next, I'll prepare the avocado. Cut the avocado into half and use your knife to remove the pit. So remove the skin and slice it thinly. Now on to the eggs. My family loves eggs. Crack it open. Mix in the milk and season it with some salt and pepper. Into the pan, add in some butter. Heat it up over medium-low heat. Nice and gently add in your eggs. And start pushing it inwards until curds form. Alright, the egg is cooked and ready. I'll set it aside and give my chicken a couple more seconds in the oven. Aha! Great! The chicken is ready. I love to use Sadia's chicken breast as it is juicy and convenient. It's just the right thing to use for my family's breakfast. I have some wraps here and I'm gonna put everything together and wrap it up. And I'm done. Let's see how much time I've used. Wow, under 21 minutes. I've completed the challenge. So there you have it. It is easy to prepare and most importantly, it is super tasty and packed good nutrition to start the day right. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. Give this recipe a try and I'm sure your family would love it too.